Welcome to Whzan. Whzan is an internet cloud-based service enabling you to control and monitor equipment remotely via an internet browser. Whzan enables you to create applications for and participate in the Internet of Things. There are 8 videos within our tutorial pack. We recommend you watch our tutorials in full screen and increase the DPI resolution. In this video you will learn how to bind data points to item properties. We recommend you watch our 3 preceding videos within our tutorial pack before continuing. We will begin by opening the Mimic editor. Once an item has been added to your Mimic, you can control the appearance of that item according to the value of a data point by binding a data point to one of the item properties. By selecting an item within a Mimic, the properties of that item are now displayed to the right-hand side of the screen. If an item is bindable, you will be able to click on the Bind button to the right of the property. We will start by using conditional binding. Click on the Insert Data Point button and select the required data point. We now define the true and false values in the boxes. You can insert alarms or math, string or date time functions into your expression in the same way. The syntax of your expression can be checked by clicking the Verify button. By using the testboard, we are able to see the effects of the binding. We will now use a Boolean data point in text format, defining the true and false values. As before, you will see the data point values update. Data points can also be bound to dynamic graphics. By selecting a light from the widget library, we can define its true and false state. We can apply the same principles to numeric data points. To apply conditional binding to a numeric data point, we must first define an expression. Here we have used equal to. Here we are using range binding. The fill color has been directly bound to a numeric data point. The default expression result and color settings can be changed by clicking on the required line. It is possible to add colors for the expression result values by clicking on the Add New button. As the value increases, the color will change from red to green to blue, graduating through colors between them on the spectrum. String from numeric is only available for text properties. The required display format for the number can be selected from the list of standard formats on the left of the window or specified in the custom format box on the right. By using a gauge from the widget library and binding it to a numeric data point, the dial will display the actual data point value. Now we will use date and time data points. This binding type is only available for text properties. The date format can be selected from the list of standard formats on the left of the window or specified in the custom format box on the right. This time we'll bind a text box to a text data point. By clicking on the Direct Binding tab, your actual data point value will be displayed. By binding to the item's size, position and opacity properties, you can change the item's appearance depending on its value. When binding to a mimic item, it is possible to set values according to the result of an expression. An expression is any combination of operators, constants, functions, and other components which evaluate to a single value. There are a variety of functions and data points which can be used within the expression editor. Use our expression editor help pages to learn more. Once an item property has been bound, the bind button will change to white. To unbind a property, click on the Bind button and select Remove Binding. The Bind button will now be orange. For further assistance in how to pull together the mimic with the measured values from your system, watch the videos within our tutorial pack, or use our comprehensive help facility, or join our technical forum. And if you want some very specific help, do send us an email via our website. You can use Whzan for many monitoring and control tasks. You can find examples on what Whzan can be used for on our website, whzan.com. Join us there.